Padbot, a well-known brand from Guangdong Padbot Robotics. Since the establishment in 2013, with unique robot technology as its core, it is a national high-tech enterprise focusing on the design, R&D, production, and sales of business service robots. Padbot Robotics applied to a variety of business scenarios, built a complete service robot solution, and established more than 10 branches and offices in new first-tier cities. Padbot Robotics, insisting on self-research of hardware and software, has formed a complete industrial chain integrating unique technologies, core components, leading products, and industry system solutions. Padbot Robotics has long-term close cooperation with major famous universities and enterprises, completed many successful collaborative projects. Padbot Robotics provides users with comprehensive solutions. Make life better.